Hello YouTube. We've just seen a couple of searches on YouTube where people were looking for a way to clean their keyboard. And by keyboard, I hope people mean that's the keyboard. It's basically the keyboard of a Blackberry, but it's the same system for any other phones, except for the touch screens, of course. And well, you might have missed it, but graphite, this is a pencil, and the graphite inside, I'm writing with it, is a very good electricity conductor, and it also is a lubrifier, a solid lubrifier. It's basically, you have oil to lubricate things around, but you can have solid lubrifier, and then the graphite is a very good one, and we can use graphite to improve contacts for the keys. And how you do it, this is for any phone. You take the phone apart, have a look on tutorials on YouTube to see how to take your phone, your model. This is a 8310 Blackberry 8310. This is already taken apart. We already spoke about the drum here, the trackball, the click. This is the click. You can use graphite to clean this. First, you can use a little bit of alcohol to clean the dirt, the dust, and whatever is debris, and then you can just, like you're writing on the paper, you just lubricate this and the contact, and this is how you improve contacts. Okay, and you can do this. It has a drum on top of it, but it doesn't really matter. You have to do this part, and then the oyster that I was talking about. You can see oysters here everywhere. So if I take this, you see, this is what you have to do. You basically have to lubricate every key, basically doing that, and then on this side as well, once again use alcohol. Don't put it on this on the white part of this sticker, because if you put alcohol, it will not stick back. But try to take a cotton Q-tip and then just go over here before the graphite, and you basically run it over carefully. Okay, you leave a little bit of graphite here, and you leave a little bit on the key, this is the motherboard, and then you put some graphite anywhere here. Don't worry if you go all over the place, because it will not do the contact. Graphite will not stick to the motherboard itself, so there's not going to be a problem. And you just blow. Okay, you don't put your finger, because the finger has sebum. It has a grease on it. You just blow, and it's good enough, and you stick it back, and I guarantee that the keyboard will work. Okay, but when you take the keyboard, you will notice oxidation here. It's white or green, or you will see it's kind of a dusty thing that when you rub it with the pencil, it will go away. It's something that's not very hard to remove. Also on the oyster here, you can do that, and on the edges as well. Try to go over the edges. Okay, the edges of the exterior edges of each oyster. So you kind of know which keys don't work, and you can basically lubrify them with graphite, and graphite improves contacts, and it will keep them for a long time. Okay, keys normally don't go oxidized, but when you put your phone into your pocket, or when there's a lot of humidity in the air, humidity finds its way under the sticker, because there's a lot of movement when you press keys, when you're typing emails and stuff, and it will go inside and it will oxidize. Okay, this is normal in your pocket as well. When it's hot outside, you perspire, perspiration, or humidity in general does that to a phone. If you go to the sea, there's a lot of salt in the air, so there's a lot of factors that will well, make a keyboard malfunction. But an easy way to clean your keyboard is to open it up, see the tutorials on YouTube. You will find for all the well-known models, and then you just use a pencil, use this, you open the sticker like that. It's not going to be easy, huh? I try to use this is already done, so it's easy because I've opened it up, but it will stay in place. You don't have to buy on eBay another keyboard or stuff or so. Use tweezers to take the sticker, and then you open it up. Be careful, it might rip. You have to do it easy, and then even if it rips off, you put it back like that. It will stay in place. So don't worry about ripping the sticker off. If you don't rip it too much, it will stay in place. Okay, hopefully that will help you with your keyboard cleaning problems. Okay, what's on top here is just plastic. You can use any detergent and stuff like that, as long as it doesn't go inside. If you clean it upside down at the phone, it should not, and you leave it to dry upside down, it should not be a problem. Okay, hope this helped, and subscribe for another episode of how to fix your mobile phones. Okay, thanks, bye.